Are you tired of unexpected car troubles? Do you want to save money and time on repairs? Stay tuned for a life-changing tip that can keep your car running smoothly. Common car issues often stem from neglecting simple maintenance tasks. One of the easiest ways to prevent major breakdowns is to regularly check and maintain your tire pressure. Here's how to do it. First, get a reliable tire pressure gauge. Next, check the recommended pressure for your tires, usually found on a sticker inside the driver's door. Then, remove the valve cap from the tire and press the gauge onto the valve stem. Read the pressure and adjust it using an air compressor if necessary. Maintaining proper tire pressure improves fuel efficiency, increases tire lifespan, and enhances safety. Under-inflated tires can lead to poor handling and increased wear, while over-inflated tires can cause blowouts. You can also apply this tip to other vehicles, like bicycles or motorcycles. Just keep in mind to check the pressure regularly, especially before long trips or changes in weather. Be cautious of using a faulty gauge, as it can lead to incorrect pressure readings. Always double-check with a different gauge if unsure. By regularly checking your tire pressure, you not only extend the life of your tires, but also ensure a safer and more efficient ride. It's a small effort for a big payoff.